Myntri Rangbah kami kaliau Conrad Sangma unselet Nongbah Dalhi Iakynduh Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng keren halor kimat Bapher bakentub ya Common University Entrance Test kiwet. Conrad Iakynduh ru Myntri kenat pulih putih Udharmendra Pradhan keren halor kijing don kam banweng kijing jong kamat kiwet ke bakentub baki bandon kisenta hakaleng ke jela. Shushu Conrad Iakynduh ru Chairman ke National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC keren halor kimat biade bat kikam boarding ha ke jela. Conrad Iakynduh ru Myntri ketenat kai Pdeng Piyush Goyal keren kijing ke biade bat kijing yalong kawai ki project ha ke jela. Unsalat Iakynduh ru Myntri ketenat ya dari Rajnath Singh keren halor kijing pa ki jaka ke Cantonment Board sya ketenat Municipal Board.
There are multiple purposes. Number one, I will be visiting and meeting the Honorable Education Minister along with our Education Minister. This is to discuss about the CUET issue and how to find solutions to it in the long run in terms of setting up more centers around the state. I will be meeting the chairman of NTPC also as we have some plans along with them to look at some power plants in Meghalaya. Details I cannot give out right now. I will also be meeting Mr. Piyush Goyal, the Commerce Minister. The objective is to discuss about the Unity Mall project in Meghalaya, which is a very unique one.